Billy and Gary, they're best friends forever. Billy and Gary, they're the best friends.
Billy and Gary, they happen to be friends. Billy and Gary, they're friends for now. You always have to have the good comics. You give me all the crummy ones.
Well, they're my comics. I have a right to, don't I? I just love comic books.
Yeah, I used to, until I became friends with you.
Why don't you love comic books anymore?
Because you take all my good ones.
Ooh, Billy, look what it says right here. There's a comic book convention in Toledo.
Holy Toledo.
And it's today. We should go to it.
Yeah, we should. Well, I wonder how we're gonna get there.
Well, I don't have a car anymore after Granny took it joyriding and crashed it.
I do.
What?
I do.
You have a car?
Yeah.
That's what we're getting at. We're taking your car, Billy. If we're really lucky, I can get Diego to send my Ghostbusters t-shirt.
All the luck in the world is not gonna make that happen.
Can we go anyway?
Yeah, whatever. So you ready, Gary?
Oh yeah, I'm ready.
Oh! Oh. We gotta buckle up. I almost forgot. Silly me. I'm out of gas.
You are out of gas. You can't even remember that before.
Whoa, okay. Like, calm down, Mr. Rabies. Okay? We'll just have to find another mode of transportation.
I got it. We can always borrow Grampy's truck. He ain't using it.
Did he die?
No, he's not dead. He's just not allowed to drive.
Stupid truck!
Good try.
Gary, are you serious? Are we taking your grandfather's truck? It's a mess!
Well, seeing as there's no other way, we're just gonna have to deal with it. I mean, it's got a rubber chicken. That's gotta count for something.
Gary, if you like this truck so much, how about you drive it?
Billy, you know why I can't. I don't have my license anymore. They took it away from me.
Why this time?
Kinda, sort of, destroyed the Piggly Wiggly on the 32nd Street. You want the keys?
Yeah, give me the keys.
It's stuffy in here. Let me roll it out a window. Old-fashioned window crank. Woohoo!
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Ready, so. Catch those things. There. Is that right? I don't know, the knob is...
Here. Check your mirror.
Yeah.
We look good!
Well, let's get this show on the road. This truck won't start.
Well, considering the fact that Grampy hasn't used it since last May, I'm actually not really that surprised.
It possibly could have been broken down, you didn't tell me.
We probably should have borrowed Granny's car in the first place.
Granny has a car.
Yeah, one just like yours. I mean, if I probably asked her right now, she'd probably just let us use it. Yeah, here's Granny's car. It's just like yours.
I guess. It looks a little like it.
Yeah. Anyway, there's a key for it on Grampy's key ring. I'll just borrow it. I'll call her on our way there. She won't mind. I mean, she borrows mine without asking. Didn't leave the key there. Time to rubber chicken. I seem to kind of have lost the keys. We should go check the snow.
You're dead, Gary. You're dead. You're dead! I just like you, Gary.